Ciao my friends, welcome to my kitchen. This is where I teach you easy recipes for everyday cooking, and today couldn't be any easier as I'm going to teach you how to make butternut squash fritters. These are so wonderful. They add such a variety of either as a side dish to a meal that you're preparing, or great for an after school snack, or just a snack for anybody, or if you're trying to find new ways to get vegetables into your kids' diets. And it's really simple to make. Let me show you how to put that together. Pronto? Allora andiamo a cucinare. All right, okay, so first thing we do with our butternut squash, we're just gonna cut our ends off. Make sure you have a nice sharp knife. Next, we wanna peel the skin. All right, now that my butternut squash is peeled, I'm just gonna cut the neck part off, and then I'm gonna cut the bottom half in half. And we've got these seeds, so we need to take these out. And then I'm gonna cut my other one in half. You can grate this by hand if you want. I'm just gonna use the food processor. Okay, so we're gonna place our butternut squash in a bowl. I've probably got about 4 or 5 cups. Okay, so to our bowl, we're gonna add 2 eggs, 1/4 cup of chopped parsley, 2 garlic cloves, half of an onion finely diced, also about a 1/2 cup of flour, and 1/2 cup of Parmesan cheese, also a teaspoon of salt, and 1/2 teaspoon of pepper. And we want to give that all a toss until it's all well and combined. So to start, we need to add enough olive oil to coat the bottom of our saute pan that I have over medium-high heat. All right, then using a spring-loaded ice cream scoop, I'm going to load my filling. All right, so just start placing your fritters, and you want to push them down if they're dome-shaped if you're using a scoop. That'll just help them cook evenly throughout. And make sure that when you place them in your frying pan that you don't crowd them. So while they're cooking, we can actually make our sauce. So I usually do about a cup of sour cream. You could use yogurt if you wanted to, that would be fine. And then we're going to use the zest and the juice of a lemon. Make sure that when you're using the zest that it is an organic lemon, since we will be eating the peel. Then I have some chives that I'm gonna add. So I'm just gonna slice these really thin, and I'm gonna add a 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of pepper, and just kinda mix all that until all the juice and the yogurt is combined. So you just wanna cook them for about 2 to 3 minutes each side until they're golden brown. So now that our fritters are cooked, I'm gonna show you how to assemble it. So we want to place a couple of these on our plate. Okay, and we're gonna add the lemon sour cream that we made. I like to add some purple onion, and then a few of those chopped chives, and a couple wedges of lemon. And another thing, we squeeze that lemon out, but don't throw your lemons away, because you can just throw them in some water and you'll have some great lemon water. So this is a great snack, it's a great side dish. I hope you give it a try. All the recipe and ingredients are listed below. Until next time, ciao, ci vediamo dopo.